This horse's hoof became so infected it fell off, leaving the poor animal in unbearable pain with every step. Watching it suffer, the owner called a horseshoe expert to craft a protective hoof guard. The expert began by measuring the injured hoof and choosing a material that was both durable and flexible. The horse stood calmly, as if it understood help had arrived. Once the custom guard was ready, he carefully fitted it, securing it with a special adhesive to protect and support the healing. 2 months later, the guard was removed to reveal a healthy new hoof had grown back. The expert trimmed it, then fitted a sturdy iron horseshoe, securing it firmly in place. He gave it a final polish to keep the new hoof smooth and protected. At last, the horse could walk without pain,